Oh man, that's real fucking close. Let me try that again. It looks like it's a half-inch out. Man, that looks close. Oh yeah. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Check out this group. Not bad. We're getting better. Let's figure it out. I mean, they're just to the left of bullseye now. Finally getting somewhere. I knew there was a lot to learn. Right on top of each other. Right there. That's not bad. I mean, I guess I could go a click left and try and get on that line. But if you see where it started down here, and I had some flyers because I realized I was pulling, trying to control my breath. But I slowly started working my way. Yeah, that's not bad for 2 in a row. We'd like a 3-shot group, but man, that's not bad. Let me go a click left. Half a click. I want to say it was a flyer, but I'm not sure. Let's go find out. You've got to be kidding me, man. I went half a click to the left. That's not bad for a 3-shot group right there, but that's 50 yards. Now we need to push it to 100.